Good day. If you are going to interpret this diagram, how will you read it? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon. Sa mga magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Sa ngayong araw, ang ating pag-uusapan ay ang mixed number. Ito ay combination ng whole number at saka fraction. Using this figure, ano ang iyong nakikita? How are you going to interpret this figure? We can see one whole and 1/2. Therefore, it is read as 1 and 1/2. It can also be read as 1 1/2. In numeral, this is how 1 and 1/2 is written. And this is how it is written in words. How about this figure? Ano ang iyong nakikita? There are 2 wholes and 1/2. This is how 2 1/2 is written in numeral. And this is how the mixed number is written in words. 2 1/2. How about this one? 2 and 1/3. 2 and 1/3. How do you interpret this one? It is 1 and 2/3. 1 and 2/3. How about this one? It is read as 2 and 2/4. In words, it is written as 2 and 2/4. Anyone who can figure it out? It is read as 1 and 2/4. 1 and 2/4 can be written in words just like this. In this figure, the whole circle is divided into 5 parts. In numerals, it is written as 1 and 1/5. And in words, it is written as 1 and 1/5. Another one is divided into 5 equal parts. It can be interpreted as 1 and 4/5. This is how it is written in words. How about this one? This can be interpreted as 2 and 3/5. And this is how it is written in words. Anyone who could guess? It is 1 and 3/5. This is how it is written in words. Can you tell me how many total equal parts are there? This figure tells us it's 1 and 5/7. This is how it is written in words. The figure tells us that it is divided into how many parts? It's 7. Now, it is being read as 2 and 6/7. 2 and 6/7 is written like this. How many equal parts this one whole is being divided? This can be interpreted as 2 and 5/10. This is how 2 and 5/10 is written in words. How about this one? Did you say 1 and 3/10? Yes. Yes, it is written as 1 and 3/10. How about this one? It is written as 1 and 5/10. 1 and 5/10. Sa palagay ko, by this time, alam nyo na ang mixed number. And how about this one? Now, it is written as 1 and 4/8. And this is how it is being in words. Sa mga magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page.